Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to use your Notepad to turn off your computer. I use this one all the time, and with a single click, you can shut down Windows. Trust me, it saves a lot of time, especially if you're in a hurry. Here is how to do it. Click on the Start menu to open the search box. Type in Notepad and click on it once you found it. Type the following into Notepad. At echo off MSG * shutdown computer. Shutdown C. Sleep tight, S. Finally, save the file with .bat as the extension rather than .txt. For example, shutdown.bat. Then click on your file and it will automatically shut down Windows. Ace. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.